What's up, you guys, and welcome back to yet another video. My name is Hussein and thank you for tuning in back to my channel. Okay, so in this video, and I'm really excited because you guys remember I had lights, right? They kind of went to crap after whatever, 5 months of me having them on there, but and actually my engine bay looks still really clean from all the driving we did on the weekend. But anyway, I took them out and I cleaned all of this around the edges, but now I have, check this out. So this is the kit. I'm gonna put a link down below in the description. It's from Amazon, or you can just look it up. Literally, you can just look it up. It's called Day Better Flexible LED Strip Light Kit, or you can just write LED strip light and everything will show it. These things are waterproof, which is awesome. And that's what's gonna come in the box. I have a second box. That's the second one because I bought 2 boxes because I needed to do the rear end of the car too. So that's why I have 2. But that's what's gonna come in the box: the remote controller and this controller right here. And what else? This is to connect it. I will show you guys in a second. And the LED wires. So without further ado, you're gonna need microfiber towel and some sort of alcohol. And I am going to, let's take off this first for a second real quick. The battery dent cover right there. Okay, so I took the battery dent cover out because look how clean my battery looks and underneath here. Because this area, usually it gets dusty, but it's all really clean. Because this protects it obviously, even from like stuff falling inside at the car shows or anything. I think it's a must in my opinion, and just completes the clean look under the hood. But let's get to our subject. I already have this wire here. This wire is to connect the, so there is a wire. I cut the wire in half, and then you're gonna get the red and white. I'm trying to explain my best here. Then you're gonna connect these wires to the grounds, so to the positive and negative. Then you get this, and this you connect it to that through right here. So the first step I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and wipe, get the rag and pretty much just wipe. I will show you guys. Let me get it so I can show you. And I'm really doing this with one hand, the camera filming with one hand, trying to do my best here. I got some alcohol and I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe just across. See, not on the paint, just on this part that's gonna, the 3M gonna stick on here. So I'm pretty much just gonna wipe across, see, right across. Then it's gonna go down here on the frame from the front, then it's gonna loop all the way on this frame piece all the way here. So that's what you want to wipe. See, just regular wiping, wipe all along here to there. So let me do that and show you the next step. Guys, so it's all wiped down. What you want to do is, I laid the wire right across the engine bay, and what you want to do is take this out right here, this piece like that. Then you're gonna, it's really hard to do with one hand, then you're gonna want to stick this against the, right here against the fender like that. That's how you want to stick it. Then you're gonna move a bit and you're just gonna work your way right across. So let me do that and show you, because it's really hard to do it with one hand in the camera. So you're just gonna pull a little and stick it. It's 3M, see? It says 3M on here. So pull a little and just keep sticking. And that's why you wipe it with alcohol, so it sticks, so there's no oils or anything on the other side when you're sticking. So far so good. That's how it's looking. See, you guys, just this angle a little bit, it leaves a like the second half is not like sticking to anything, but that's okay. And that's how it's looking. Alright, you guys, so it's all done. And check this out. That's how it looks. See, just runs all the way through here. That's one of the areas when it doesn't really attach because it's got a flex. But for 95% of it, it's attached, see? And it goes all the way through. Let me show you. It goes all the way and just it ends right there. So it lights up the whole engine bay. I don't know, this kit is for now. I might find another one. I'm gonna keep researching. If I find another one, I will just swap it. It's really quick. It's the same connection. Just you gotta obviously take it off, clean it, and swap it with another one. I want one to do with the like on the phone, but the one I got before this one, it didn't. I did not like the LED strip. So I don't know. Let me know down in the comments below if you have something like this where you can control on the phone. Or what really bothers me a little bit is you can see the white. See? You can see the white under the hood. So, and I don't think there is a black color light. So, I don't know. I'm gonna do some more research. I did earlier, I couldn't find anything, but I'm gonna use Google maybe to do some more research, see what I can find, and yeah, let me. Oh, I will need double-sided tape. Then that's the next step. I will need double-sided tape to connect that. That's how is this thing gonna sit right here with double-sided tape, and it's gonna go into here, into this one. Connect this one, then connect this one via this wire connection, and we're done. But let me find double-sided tape and finish it up. Alright, so I've got the this thing hooked up to this, which is connected to the ground under here, and it's connected to the battery ground. And what you want to do is, that's to connect between this and this, so between the male and the female. So let me do that real quick. Alright, so we're all connected here, and I'm gonna get this end of the wire, which I'm gonna tuck in here, and I'm gonna connect it to that. Give me 1 second. Alright, connected it to this, connected it to that, and nothing. You know why nothing? I know why. Because this is gonna be the opposite way. You're gonna have to turn this now, and I'm glad it happened on camera. So I'm gonna turn it. Bam, plugged it in, and look what we got. How sick is this? Alright, let's see. Let's see here real quick. Blue, green, red, everything works like it should. White. Hell yeah, look how clean this looks. This is way better than the other one I got. But it's daytime right now. And I still got to 3M tape this so it tapes and it doesn't move. And that's it. That's all I got for today's video, you guys. Please, this is awesome, but I just want to know if I can like get a black like round the light for itself, you know, that will be even better. But for now, I'm not taking this off. It's gonna be for in there for a minute, and other than if I can just find one right now, which I will go do some research. Please hit that thumbs up button, subscribe below, helps me out, helps the channel for YouTube algorithm, so more people can see this video and I can get more subscribers, and I can bring you guys these videos all the time. Even it's gonna get better with the car parts that I have. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace. That's my other car parts, but quick disclaimer. The box has a black like this charger right here. I have like this one, but it's similar, same looks, and this is like computer, but just so you have an idea, I cut the wire, then the two wires that goes to the ground of the car and to the battery, it has something like this, the same thing. So that's what I got it from, and it's usually not usually, it is in the box, but I used that one, so I don't have an example. So that's the rest of it. Other car parts, brake rotors I got installed, that's for later, but now you guys get the idea. In case if you were wondering what I got that from, to plug in into this one right here.